How to turn on dark mode on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issue to turn on dark mode on Forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for Forex.com website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this more icon. Tap on it. Now click on settings. After you click on settings, you can see options for device default, light and dark mode. You are looking to change it to dark mode, right? Select dark mode. And that's it guys. That's how we're going to change Forex.com to dark mode. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.